hit and run. This guy is driving off, refusing to give me his details. We are recorded and I will be uploading it. This guy's driving off. He's driving off. He drove off from the top of Lovelace Road, refused to give me his details, and he hit my car. I'm going to call the police.
I'm sure both of you are super lovely.
He drove off.
I'm sure both of you are...
I can't believe what he's just done.
Madam,
if I drove off, he'd be calling the police on the black woman. Yeah? That's what he'd be doing.
As if.
Yeah?
Are we going to play that card, are we?
No, that's what you did. You know exactly what you did. Did it on purpose.
I'm sure both of you are very lovely, and there are children in the cars, and I can see car seat, baby seat there as well.
I'm going to call the police.
Yeah, I think you need to call them because it's quite serious.
Yeah, I need police on Rosendale.
Hit and run. Thames hit and run by yourself, please. You've hit and run. I have to chase you down the road.
Yeah, right there. I need police on Rosendale Road. I'm being accused by a reckless driver of an accident, hit and run.
You did, on Lovelace Road. No, you didn't. I was stationary.
Rosendale Road, yeah, just down by the church.
I had to chase you down the road.
It's in
SE24.
SE24.
SE21 actually, 9.
I'm in a car parked, the lady's on a double red line.
I chased you down the road.
Of driving into her. She just opened the door into my car.
Oh, so you know what you did?
In fact, look.
That's not the dent, no. That was already there.
She is videoing this.
I have to video it because I drove you down the road.
She's just nasty.
And he won't give me his phone number, he won't give me his details.
I'm calling the police.
You won't give me your details. I chased you down the road, you drove off. I did, down Lovelace Road.
No, you've not.
I did chase you. You hit and run. I recorded it with you hit and run.
Her car registration.
GY54HJD. GY54HJD.
Harry Jamaica Delta. Silver, what is it?
I don't know. Yeah, Toyota.
You don't even know her car.
You don't know the car either.
It's not my car. It's a Toyota Mercedes.
Can I have my phone? You've just stolen my phone. Don't touch my phone.
Abuse me.
Well, don't drag my phone from me.
Get off me.
You've just seen him drag my phone off me because he's rude.
Sorry? This is the woman accusing me of going
You snatched my phone. I'm recording it.
in the car,
I'm recording it.
School. This woman's got a phone with her light on in my face recording me.
Don't come near me.
Go away.
Don't come near me. Don't come near me.
This phone call is recorded.
I'm glad it is, and this is recorded as well. It will show you coming to me
And manipulative.
because you know what you did was wrong.
I've got 2 children in the car wanting to go to school. This woman will not allow me to take them to school.
I'm not doing anything. I asked you for your details and you refused.
My car.
Bravo Foxtrot 64 X yard work.
Get away from me.
Don't be so silly.
Bravo. It's a Volvo and it's silver.
Oh, Volvo.
What do you want me to do with the children?
I'm glad I dropped mine off at school.
Yeah, they're strapped in, ready to go to school.
You
This
drove
woman will not
off.
allow me to drop them off.
You drove off from Lovelace Road. And I had to chase you down for your details because you refused.
Okay, that's great. I think you're right. Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah.
Yeah, you're crazy.
I've ignored that.
You're crazy. I had to record.
Exactly. That's lovely. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
I hope they're coming soon.
Yeah, 5-star response.
Excellent.
Don't mind, you've got to sit in your car until they're here.
I'm staying here to record you because that's what I need to do. This man hit my car on Lovelace Road and refused to give me his details, and now he's speaking to his children to actually try and tell them that he didn't hit the car. Great, it's crazy. Just waiting for the police to come. Yep, just waiting for the police to come. This man has been a bit erratic. He snatched the phone out of my hand, then accused me of being aggressive. He shouted abuse at me out of the window as he scraped the side of my car. This is the damage to it. He thought I wouldn't catch up to him at the traffic lights, but I did. Chased him all the way down Lovelace Road, caught him at the traffic lights, and he sped off down here, accusing me of not allowing him to take his kids to school after he hit my car and drove off on Lovelace Road at SE21. Yeah.